glare there, so. Match fender, look at that. Arrows even. Huh. Wow, let's see, we've still got some damn. Wow. Those coins, look at those coins. Look at what it says on there. Your best friend is a blind beggar, 7 feet tall, with mismated feet, a wealthy old maid you will soon meet. That's a pretty machine. $5 jackpot.
Brother Tom bought a used home in Florida, but he bought it for him. He had to replace the roof at like 30 grand. He goes, now I'm starting to understand what you were talking about. Refrigerator, stove, now 5,000, stoves, 3,000 for refrigerator, washer and dryer, and nothing. Add up that. Yeah, if those are all supplied. Yeah, that's all right. Yeah, some of them. Yeah, but yeah, I know what you're saying. But yeah, I mean, but that goes into that equation. Are they using glue or not?
Cool.
Have you been upstairs and seen that blue? Oh yeah, I go every time I'm down there. In fact, I can go to your car and just buy it. Yeah, I've been trying to be nice sometimes.
Big old bulky thing.
So I'm like, okay, I'll start being nice. I think fire was that you never said was what am I firing?
Movie stars.
Well, look, kid, man. Here, you know what's funny is the last machine I bought. Yeah, I sure did. The guy who delivered it was right across the street, and I was looking at the old building that the old time business that came over now looking for it, just retired or something, so stuff off. But he goes, but we had like a while before the Riverside game, and I said, oh,
wow.
now,
Cool.